Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'du. So in this video, I will be doing a demo or a review of my website. So this is my website. You can access it on cat.mkinana.replit.co. So this is a website about cat, as you can see in the title here at the top left, and in the header I added some navigation links, 5 navigation links, which are home, about, images, videos, and more. So in this first section, which is the home section, I added some text on the left, which are introducing, and this sentence, which is the scientific name for the species, or better known as cat. And on the right I added a picture of this cat, which is my cat. Next is the about section. In the about section I added some text on the right, which are about cat. What is a cat? And an arrow to the left refer to this Wikipedia page, and an iframe or an embed of a Wikipedia page, which is the Wikipedia page about cat. And also under every image and iframe, if you hover on the image and iframe, there's gonna pop out a little bit of description, a little description text at the bottom. Okay, so next is the images section. In this images section I have 2 main divs, which are the content, which holds this heading which says cat images, and the second div is container, which inside the container I put a few cat images, and it's scrollable horizontally, so right and left. Next is videos. Next, the videos section is similar to the images. I have 2 divs here. The first is for the heading, which says cat videos, and the second one contains an iframe of youtube.com results search query cat. So it's supposed to show the YouTube page of a search result of the query cat, but it doesn't. I don't know why. So next is the last section, which is more. So in this section it's about more cat, or for more things about cat, search for cat on Google. So this is a link, an anchor. You can click on this and it will redirect you to Google search result page of cat. And this is an iframe, just like the one in the videos. It's supposed to show google.com search query cat, but it doesn't. I don't know why. And then below this I have a little footer, which holds some text, some copyright information, and also an anchor to my portfolio website. And on the left and the right, and there are arrows pointing to the top, and if you click on it, it will take you back to the top, which is the home section. So that is all I could explain about my website. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.